This is really awkward. Intro to the vlog. 8 a.m. Friday. It's not Friday, it's Sunday.
Going to the state line pumpkin bash event.
All right, just got the trailer loaded up. About to go to the event now.
Oh my god. Do a full spin around. Ooh, ooh, you're dirty. Ooh.
I got pissed so bad. What was I grabbing?
Have you ever watched like a car video? Because you are by far the worst camera person ever. You have no clue what you're doing. He's gonna have to edit for like at least 2 days.
I know, but it's gonna be funny because he has funny shit that he inserts in it, and he won't need to because I'm already so funny.
What's up, Rylan?
How's it going, Bo?
How's your battery? Where's your battery? We'll check it. Tough.
Oh, you're teching? My battery? It's in here.
Get it off, we'll check it.
Okay, cool.
It wasn't even.
It's not. It did it.
Let me see. Look.
Dang.
So there's that button. You gotta make sure it's locked. Now.
They didn't do the full twist, but you know, we'll take it. Alright, just got done with tech, about to go swing it.
Can't tell if it's a pothole, but in the bottom of 2 there might be a chunk of tire.
First lap didn't go too hot, like an in between second and third, couldn't find a spot. It's been 3 years since I got this thing out, so second lap should go a little better. You got a stabilizer.
I told you that. Did I not say that when we were getting the SD card? Hand it back to me. Because I'm always right. You ready?
That actually probably made it worse. I shouldn't have done that. Yeah, that definitely made it worse. Now it's on the tire. Fuck. Who let me do that?
You.
Where's the pry bar at?
I got 4 pounds
Oh,
Yeah,
fuck.
Well, I could actually roll it. Yeah,
the car
fucking
up and
roll
then
it,
roll
dude. Rolling fenders out here.
No, jack the car up and then lower it and then roll it.
This is working just fine. Ah, fuck.
You okay?
Good?
I'm almost died. That was so scary.
No,
My back wrist.
Oh, I know that.
Is he going for the big?
He put a whole new rear separate.
Oh,
He does all the adjustments could be all fucked up.
Yeah. Way too fucking hot on that.
Oh, I just keep spinning out.
Go that way.
The other way?
Well, you might hit your quarter, huh?
No! God, please, no! No!
Good job, good job, good job.
I hear just embarrassing myself now.
Nice work.
Oh,
That's a workout, huh?
dude, yeah. Fucking A it is.
All right, I've had to cut this already. Speed it up, brother.
Ready? Fucking pro tip for shit here. I'm like fucking, what's that guy's name from Cars that is like a forklift and he's like fast? Guido!
Guido.
Bitch.
Get out of there. No, I'm not Guido. I'm not Guido. All my nuts should be there, besides one. But if 4 won't hold it, 5 never would, you know.
So it's probably rubbing even worse then.
Oh, she's a little toasty. That one's still got some life in it, dude. Oh, that one's a little de-lambed, eh? Holy fuck. I'm gonna throw it right down by you. Here, I'll throw it right by you.
He doesn't know what to do, having a professional camera woman. He just starts throwing shit at me. Someone up in your business.
The average amount of spare tires you should bring. You ever plan on putting a hydro in it?
It has a hydro.
It has a hydraulic brake?
Yep. Yeah, it's just a little hydro. It looks stock.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say, is like, it looks completely stock.
I feel.
Feel
There
great.
you go.
You want to hammer that before you?
Did wheel off.
Ooh, yeah, that might catch it. Here, yeah, let me hit this with the sledge. Can you take that off, please?
Wow.
I like it. Now.
Oh, you got the fours on? Yeah.
Houston, we have contact.
That sucks. I might need a tow. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna go. I think something's down. I gotta stay in, yeah, or can I hop out?
See if you can turn it this way. You're straight.
Okay. What about this wheel?
That one was fine.
I could probably drive it off now, yeah?
It's just a little bit on the fender. Yeah, it's not bad.
No, she has,
Maybe it's more to it.
yeah, there's more to it. Did you find the GoPro? I almost just watched you die.
No, you didn't. Your face, you're like, are you okay? You like freaked out.
Blocking the pit area. So, the white Mitsubishi Eclipse, please move your car. Thank you.
The owner of the white sedan, you left your lights on. Or what's the quote from SpongeBob? I don't know. It was the one run I wasn't fucking recording, of course. The one run I didn't have the GoPro recording. This happened. I don't know if this actually unthreaded itself or if it came out when I hit. Because you'd think if it came out when I hit, it would have snapped off and the threads would be all fucked, but they're not. So I think I might have just had it barely threaded in there and it just came out.
outro. How do you extend this thing? Oh, she's not as retarded as she seems. Leaving, crashed, hurt wrist, kind of tweaked neck, and body damage. All up in here.
Little buff.
It'll buff. What do you say? Like and subscribe or what?
I don't say anything.
Like and subscribe.
I'm alive, Johnny!
Oh my God!
I'm alive! Your magic always worked!
You're back!
Yeah, I mean, you know, when you showed me up, you put some of the stuffing in the wrong places, so I'm a little fucked up. But will you take care of me forever and ever? Nah, I'm just kidding you. I thought it'd be funny if you thought I was fucking retarded.